Exactly. That's how you should open a
There are
packet.
all about-
Are you
That's
insane?
I actually don't know what it looks like. I'm just gonna do it.
Okay.
Tell me what it looks like.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
excited. It just looks like sketch pen. I might be the reason turtles are dying. Oh yeah. I will
yeah.
give all of these away. You don't need to do anything. Don't subscribe, don't comment, nothing. Nothing, I'll just give away. You ask me what is my relationship with money? That's what it should be. My parents should choose.
Take control.
Imagine I
Yeah,
have an
yeah,
ID
yeah,
card
yeah,
with
yeah.
my name
And with the
photo.
beard drawn on the ID card.
So I went to the face reader. So I go there and immediately the first thing he tells me is, so you look like someone who don't take money from his family and all. And my theory is, I was the only one there wearing lens card glasses and nobody else.
The glasses of he knows nothing about you. You have a nose. Only useful podcast
Yes.
in
yes.
this entire country.
Hello. Welcome back to another episode of Spender Bender.
Nice. Good start. I was also gonna say hello. Nice. Hello. Hello. Welcome to another episode of Spender Vendor. My name is Govind.
I'm Hoshang and today we have also Antariksh with us.
Yes,
You
Antriksh.
can see him on his camera.
Say hi, Antriksh.
हेलो नमस्ते कैसे हैं सब?
Have you RSVP'd to his wedding yet?
Yeah. Oh wow. Good. Wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Happy wedding. Happy
Happy
wedding.
wedding, Antariksh. Woo!
Everyone,
Oh,
everyone
great,
clap
thank you,
in
thank
the
you,
comment
thank you.
section. Okay.
Vineet
And-
hasn't, by the way.
I have not, sorry. You said today, to be fair.
Wow. Nice. But we have a guest today, who's already been introduced, but it's the guest who said yes to coming this week. So give it up for Vineet Srinivasan. We just keep clapping this whole podcast.
Thank you.
But
thank you,
welcome,
thank you so
welcome,
much.
Vineet.
It's so nice to be here.
Yes, welcome
Very
to
nice.
this terrace. We're back.
There is nice bass music also in the background.
Yeah.
Yes, which
Yeah.
you guys will not
Lovely.
hear because
Because we're professionals. So
Guys
yeah.
taking our jobs.
Yeah.
Taking everybody's jobs.
I mean, this was never my job to clean audio, so I'm fine with
Yeah.
this. But okay, but before we start, we would like to address this
The-
curved
yeah, we have gotten a
table.
couple of comments about this table.
But
Yeah,
more
it's-
than that, Vineet was like, "Is this design?" It's not.
I genuinely thought it's
Well, it
some
looks like it.
abstract I thought it's one of your bad purchases. Am I right? I thought
No,
it's
this
one of
was
your-
a good purchase. But then, you
Yeah,
know what
this-
happened? It was raining during the whole monsoon, obviously.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
raining.
yeah.
And I asked Hoshang to cover it up.
And I did.
Arey,
Yeah,
shut
you
up.
did.
He covered it up with one bed sheet, which got
just cotton bedsheet.
Yeah,
which
which
got
was
wet. Silk.
Famously good at
Yeah.
stopping water.
Yeah.
Just
Which
cloth.
got wet in 2 minutes because it was monsoon.
Yeah, of course. It
Yeah.
will get wet even without the monsoon. If
And
you
then
just
I
leave a
used-
cotton cloth here.
Exactly. I told him, "Ki, dude, what are you doing?" He was like, "No, it's covered." And technically, it's
cotton is
covered.
not here. You have to put that thing that you put here. You have to
Yeah,
put a
a
tarp.
tarp.
I didn't put those, the landlord.
I'm just saying, you
But
can
I
put
know
one
what
of
you're
these
talking
things.
about.
A tarp is what you're
But
supposed
to be fair to
Yeah.
Hoshang, this is not steel.
Correct.
You like
Uh-huh.
like this bending situation.
Shouldn't have happened.
I didn't know that wood bends
Same.
to water.
Say, what
Although-
kind of wood is this?
Fair enough. Fair enough.
What kind of wood
does-
is this?
Yeah,
What
why,
kind of
why does
fake
it
wood?
bend in exactly just the same
Same
amount
way,
of
dude, both
So
sides.
uniform, dude.
This
I
is
think,
so
listen, this
specific.
is artistic, I believe, and it really adds to
Yeah,
the charm
yeah.
of the podcast.
Yeah, I
I
thought it
mean,
was.
you
Also-
didn't do it for the charm. You
You
did it because you're lazy.
There's no
but-
way to prove that, Govind.
But
Whether
this
the
is,
pod
this
or
is
not.
a rare educational podcast. Where else will you find out what happens to a table if it's left?
I mean, I'm
Leave
sure
it-
there's a YouTube
yeah.
video out
Put it
there.
outside in Mumbai rains.
Yeah.
Mumbai
And you only
rains.
covered it with one silk bed sheet.
Yeah.
Silk bed
Silk
sheet.
bed sheet.
Oh, you got
And
silk
every
bed
time
sheet.
I've seen that bed sheet on top of this, half of it has come out.
Yeah. Oh God. First of all, why do you have silk bed sheet?
He has, I don't know.
I didn't buy it. I was gifted that. My mom
That's-
gave it to me. Dude, I'm not buying
Oh.
bed sheets.
And you
That's
used
sweet.
it for this. You didn't use it for yourself.
Yeah.
I used it
Oh
for
my
myself
God.
first, and then I told Ranjit Bhaiya ki bahar cover kar do, and he put the first thing he
By the way,
found
Ranjit
also.
Bhaiya is your cook. You behave like everyone knows who Ranjit Bhaiya is. You've mentioned him so
Of
many
course.
times.
He's part of this podcast's 10 episode lore.
Yeah. You've never mentioned who Ranjit Bhaiya is. But
So Rajiv is an angel who takes care of me.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
But yeah, welcome again.
crazy.
Welcome.
Thank you so
But
much.
dude,
thank you.
also spender bender, table is bent. It adds.
Very
Everything
nice.
works.
It also
Hey,
kind
ज़्यादा
of
जोर से मत कर टूट जाएगा.
kind of looks like Govind's mustache also a little bit. It has a
Thank
a
you.
mustachy vibe.
Thank
also,
you.
no?
I'm going
It's
for a mustache right
it
now.
has
I-
that curve to it. In reverse. Yes.
Thank
It
you
has
for
a-
noticing
It is very
my
nice.
mustache.
You're going full Malayali.
Full.
Full Malayali.
I hit 30 and I was
You're
like,
I
done.
have to. I
Done.
have
Next
to.
is a shirt जिसका chest pocket में I'll keep my phone. That's what I'm.
You are in that when your children look back at these photos, they'll be like, "Acha had
Yes,
this mustache."
yes.
Why
No,
did
see.
he-"
So when kids look at their dad's old photos,
Yeah.
they look different, right? I should look exactly what I look like when I'm 50
Oh, so
something.
you're going to maintain
right
this till
now.
50?
Yeah, right
You're
now.
going to-
You look like Bhagat Singh, okay? That's what you're
That's
gonna
all.
look.
I think all Malayalis look like Bhagat Singh with
Really?
mustache. I have the same thing. I looked exactly like him.
If you take away your beard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In college, we had rules we could not keep beard, so I had this fucking.
Oh, you had a mustache?
Yeah.
No,
It
so
was a bad idea.
I don't get a proper beard, so I wanted to I wanted something, dude. So I was like, यही ठीक है यार. Let's just go
Fair
with
enough,
this.
Fair enough. Yeah, you gotta have a.
I have a trimmer and all. It's barely used.
Yeah,
so
very
I
nice.
was like, let's
Just
just
go for it.
Let's
yeah.
just go
Gotta
for
get
a
those trimmer brand reels. Am I right? Somebody says.
Oh wait, I'll. We'll have this conversation in just a little while. Once my product is out. Once my product is out, I'll tell you.
Oh, very
yes,
nice.
yes.
That's
Oh.
something to do with it.
Okay,
Right.
okay, but
Anyway, Vineet,
Yeah.
he has a question which he asks
both
every
of us have a
guest.
question.
No, it's
okay,
his
we
question.
Came up with
What
this
is-
question together. It's just
Huh.
the way I frame it. He has a problem with it. It's what is the relationship with money?
Oh, it's very abusive. It's,
You've never gotten that.
it's
Yeah, we've
so
never gotten
bad.
abusive.
It's fully gaslighty. I'm just like, yeah, I don't need, but
You don't need money,
no,
is
I
what
feel
you
like when you spend,
Yeah.
irresponsibly.
Oh, so when you're
Like,
spending it in your
at
head, like,
the
I
end
don't
of
need
my
this much
life,
money.
what will I think
Yeah.
about? Is it the I don't care about her
Is it the
like that.
experiences?
Yeah, and I'm not even spending on experiences. That's the terrible part. I'm spending on like Apple Watch, which I have,
That's an experience.
That's a good.
which I have convinced myself that is useful, and it is not.
It is really
So
not.
I heard
It's
someone
not,
say
it's
this
not.
about the Apple Watch, which I convinced myself is like a nice middle ground. It's that you don't need an Apple Watch,
You
but
don't.
it's good if you have one.
No,
like
it
it's
is not.
useful.
It is not at
It
all
doesn't
useful.
add anything to
It
your
doesn't add
life.
anything. It has not. I was like, no, screen time reduce होगा क्योंकि मैं ये use करूँगा, but मैं पहनता नहीं हूँ उसको.
Yeah.
उसका screen time तो बढ़ रहा है ना.
अरे
What
नहीं,
about
I
that?
offload. I can't watch videos on that. No,
Correct,
my
correct,
idea was I'll wear the watch all the time. When notification comes, I won't open my phone. I'll just look here. Oh, it's not important. But I don't wear it.
Dude, I to ignore it on my
All the time.
watch now.
Yeah,
like I'm like,
yeah.
oh, okay. अब
It's-
तो phone उठाने की भी जरूरत
There
नहीं है
is
ignore
no,
करने.
It's if anybody is planning to buy, don't
but
buy.
I used to have an Apple Watch because I don't want to miss out on notification. What if any important message comes in?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
only Zepto,
Oh, yeah, it's only-
in
yeah,
short.
Blinkit guys
Yeah,
right here.
Blinkit
Oh,
guys
what a
right here.
Blinkit guy we
Nothing
missed.
important.
I
on the
used
list.
it for my workouts.
Workouts I use.
Workouts
for,
is
yeah.
it. तभी ठीक है, but then I realized like my Apple Watch is fucked now, by the way, because I was cycling and the screen just popped up.
Oh, that's.
How hard you cycle, dude?
Yeah, I
It
guess,
just
dude.
popped
It
out.
just never
Yeah,
went back in.
Usually
Just
veins
going
pop
through
out
just
when
the
you're
worst
working.
roads. Just the
Yeah,
worst
and then
roads.
after that, I was cycling. My Apple Watch screen is just wobbling. I was
Dangling
like,
outside.
man, fuck. This is so fucked.
The Apple-ness of your watch is gone. So
I
it's
thought
just,
Apple में नहीं होगा यार ये
just
सब.
an old bad watch now.
Yeah, after that I've stopped using it.
That's
To be
so
honest,
funny.
I haven't
Missed it
cared.
at all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I haven't
yeah.
missed it at all.
I even went so far as to say, oh, when I'm on stage, I will just use my phone to record the audio instead of my phone. I'll just use this to record.
I used to see Kenny do that. Like,
Which
that's
does-
also cool, dude.
Yeah, which it's not bad actually.
It's not a
the
bad
audio
idea.
is really fucking crazy.
I used to.
But the problem is your hand keeps moving here and there.
Oh.
So it's at some points you can't.
I
it's
used to
not
also
being
think I'll
useful.
record on my watch, but
It's
the
good.
thing is, I forget to record. Voice record on stage. Yeah, period.
Yeah,
Phone, no
yeah,
phone. It
yeah,
doesn't.
yeah.
I just don't record.
You just don't care.
Yeah,
I'll just
that's
remember
why
it by
all
memory.
my sets are just there because I've never heard myself say it. After that, it's just there.
No. None of the arguments, none of the fucking things are enough.
It's a new purchase, what? The Apple Watch?
It's recent purchase, yeah. I
What
regret it
made you buy an
deeply.
Apple Watch?
I saw an
Ad.
You saw an ad. That was
no,
enough.
not an ad, but like I saw that people have. You know what I mean? Like,
That's fair.
like
That's
I want
fair.
one more blinky thing on my
Yeah.
one more shiny thing. It's a
50% of the things I own are because I saw it.
just a shiny
yeah,
thing. Yeah.
It feels bad when you don't have an Apple Watch and someone around you is just like,
They're
oh,
looking.
oh,
This
1
guy's
second, huh?
important.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am not important at all.
I moved a step away because I used to have an Apple Watch, and then I started seeing people who used to have an Apple Watch give away the Apple Watch and get back to G-Shock. Like that's okay. I think that's the cool thing
Oh,
to
no,
do
no,
now.
that's too much.
Oh,
No.
I'm back on G-Shock
That's
now.
ridiculous.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you're detoxing from a watch.
From
also
a
now?
watch, yeah.
That's crazy.
Because it was raising my anxiety, dude. Every time I was like, "Kya message? Kya message?" It was
no.
never an important
No,
message. Like,
no.
fuck this. But then somebody told me you could just turn off the notification. Like, you
Yeah,
are so
you can
right.
turn off.
There is a theater mode and
Yeah,
shit. You
yeah,
can just put
I
it on.
just didn't
What's a
think
theater
of
You
mode?
just cannot see the screen. It just doesn't light up at all.
That's
like-
the whole point of the
It vibrates
watch.
when you have a notification.
Oh,
It won't
okay.
just unnecessarily light
That
up.
is worse because they'll
On
vibrate
screen.
and then it won't show you.
Yeah. On the
Whether-
stage and stuff like that, you don't want them
Ah,
to.
when you
Ah.
don't
Oh,
want.
this is some fancy guy, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My-
That's the
No,
best thing about my
it's
G-Shock,
just-
dude. It never lights up.
Yeah. No, I just bought it as a bad. I should not have. I regret it. I
But-
regret it every day.
What
It's
do you
a
not like
Series
about
7.
it, though?
It's not. It doesn't add anything. Like when I switched
Yeah.
to an iPhone, I
How-
was like,
what did you think? How was your life gonna change after getting an Apple
I'm
Watch?
not sure actually.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I was expecting.
Did somebody
also,
talk you into buying it, or you just saw
nobody
it?
taught me. Actually, many people like Hussein talked to me into not buying it. He was
Oh.
trying really hard to make me not buy it. But I was like, no, I want that shiny thing. I'm gonna buy the shiny thing. I've decided, and I just bought it. Just a treat.
But you're still wearing it everywhere.
I
Yeah.
wear it every day. Yeah.
I mean, because, you spend
now
a
I
lot
have
of fucking
to.
money
Do
on
you,
it.
do you wear it while sleeping?
No,
A lot of
no,
people
no.
do.
I did that once, and my
It's so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Why do
Yeah.
I
Good
have
age
also,
a
my
love
watch?
that,
girlfriend
yeah.
roasted the hell out of me for doing that also. And
For sleeping with a watch
sleeping
on?
with the wa- oh, you will think, oh my god, I have a watch. Oh, I have to. Oh, I must check my vitals while I'm sleeping. So important to know my
If
REM
someone
cycle.
looks at you sleeping, we're like, he's asleep, but fuck,
Oh,
he has
wow,
an
he's
Apple Watch while
Yeah, he's
sleeping,
collecting
dude.
that much data. That's crazy.
You looked full of regret when you said that.
So the one good thing about me is with expensive I have a terrible relationship with money.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm like Instagram ads are really good at catching
Oh.
me. off
Dude,
guard.
I know, man.
Like I will get clothes especially will trap me like this, and that stupid household things that you don't actually need,
Yeah.
but you kind of end up
Getting
thinking,
it.
maybe.
Maybe it's gonna make my life easier.
Yeah,
dude.
a little bit more
yeah,
plastic
yeah.
in my life. Why not?
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
not? Why
Little
not?
more plastic, one more Type-C charger.
I saw this bedside table today. Instagram showed me an ad, Amazon ad, which is like
A
the
smart,
whole, yeah, it's a
yeah,
wireless.
yeah, yeah.
Wow, of course you're also getting it, but it's a whole like the whole upper half of the bedside table is a wireless charger.
charger.
Yeah,
You just
I'm getting
keep
this
it on
a lot.
top of
Yeah.
the table.
Oh,
Everything
I thought you
charges.
bought
Yeah.
it.
You just everything charges. You put
yeah.
phone, whatever you want to put.
you
Everything
put
charges.
whatever
yeah.
it charges.
Yeah.
You sit on it, dude, and the next day you're just ready to go.
Just
And it's
Oh,
20 to 25k.
20
Something
Ooh.
20 something thousand का
Oh.
भाई उतने में मैं एक Apple Watch खरीद लूंगा यार ऐसी
Yeah.
Dude, the same company sells a coffee table, which is a smart coffee table.
It's enough. Enough
Enough of
things
smart,
are
yes.
smart.
Everything is
What is
smart.
smart about the coffee table?
Same thing. The tabletop is a wireless charger. It has a bunch of USB outlets, your
Yeah.
controller charger
It
outlets,
actually
everything.
behaves like a table also.
Oh
It's
shit! You
crazy.
can keep your coffee
Yeah,
also
it's very
on.
smart.
No, that's
It's-
only in the premium
it doesn't
feature.
bend. It's in one plane.
One
This
day
is-
they'll
This actually looks like it's some science experiment. You know,
Yeah,
like
na?
you were explaining to somebody, Einstein, theory of relativity. You were trying to be hard.
Which is,
You're like,
but
if you
I'm
put something
scared.
here, it just
I'm
moves.
scared that one day we'll be recording and pada, it'll just all fall
No,
down.
no. I think
It's
it's
a
become
sturdy
stronger.
table. Yeah,
if nothing.
yeah.
Yeah.
It has
Anything
seen
that
some
doesn't
shit, dude.
kill you,
Yeah, it has trauma. It has seen some shit. It's not gonna go anywhere.
Let's get to our products.
Yes.
Are you ready?
So you wanna start?
You start.
Okay. So, talking about collecting extra plastic in your house,
Oh yeah.
right? So recently I came across this sale on one of these websites, Flipkart, whatever. There was a grocery sale. Okay, they were
Okay.
just selling these snacks for damn cheap, which I thought was cheap, but like it wasn't that. It was like 20 rupees off or 30 rupees off.
Okay.
But they had tricked me into thinking it's a big sale, right?
Okay.
Because they just marked up the
Because
prices.
they just went brackets
Yeah,
and they
yeah,
just
yeah,
did
yeah,
that.
correct.
Oh no, it
So
still
I-
works after 70
I bought
years.
a bunch of shit, but immediately after that, shit, I have these many big like packet of wafers and all. how am I gonna store them?
Oh no.
Right? I don't want to buy.
Put some sad music while he's
Where
saying
will I
that.
have an entire terrace?
What a
Where
problem.
will I put
How am
my
I going to
wafer
store them,
packets?
guys?
So-
Oh my
But
god.
I didn't want to buy extra boxes because those are expensive. Then Amazon was like, listen, you don't need that. What you can do is just get a sealer.
Have you seen a sealer?
Oh yeah, I've been meaning to buy one of these
Don't.
motherfuckers. No.
I have two. If you want, you can take
Oh
it.
my god. This
What
is
do you mean don't?
This is one of the most useful podcasts in the entire planet. This might be the only podcast required. All other podcasts, I think we should cancel.
Yeah, we
Oh
give
my
products.
God,
I
thank
agree.
God. You know how close I am to buying one of these fucking things?
Dude, it's so I also the thing is I also happened to buy it at the same time we
Yeah.
didn't know
Yeah.
I also bought it.
Yeah.
I don't
But he
think
got it
he's
first.
figured out how the fuck to use it because I know how to use
I
it
have
now.
two issues with this.
Okay.
One is this product made me realize that I'm not the person who I thought I was, right? Because I bought the packet of wafer, like a bunch of wafers. I was like, I'll eat like a regular person. I'll have like 2-3 bites and then I'll want to seal it.
Okay.
But I finish it. I will never reach the stage of sealing it back. Every time I open a packet, it's over.
No, you're finding that out now. Also.
I thought I was finishing the packets because I didn't have a sealer. Because it'll go stale. I don't want to eat it stale
There are
the next day.
clips, by the way. Clips and rubber bands exist.
Or just go-
Wait,
I
yeah.
I tried that, but it just never worked for me. I
Yes.
needed a sealer.
But you don't ever had to need. You never needed a sealer actually.
I never needed a sealer.
Because you just finished all your
I just
packets.
finished all the packets.
That's such
Second
a-
issue, other snacks I bought, they come with inbuilt sealers now. You don't really need a sealer like the healthy products you buy.
I mean,
And
no,
the
you
third
don't
issue,
need sealers for.
I like how you said 2 issues. Now there are more.
there
yeah,
is
the
okay.
second issue I just thought of. The third
Okay.
issue was, you are right. I don't think I've figured out how to use it
You really
properly.
haven't.
Because I don't think I know how science works.
I'm being this cocky because someone taught me how to do it. So now I know. I also didn't
So
know.
you're supposed to hold it and then
You
do
hold it and do it slowly.
Actually, why
wait,
not
wait,
we
show,
just test
show.
it?
Yeah.
Dinesh, can you throw the packets?
Wait, there's a popcorn packet. Popcorn. अबे क्या? अबे full packets थोड़ी
खुला
seal
हुआ पड़ा
करेंगे
है
भाई.
वहाँ पे भाई.
How will you seal this?
अरे give ना यार.
He
Don't
knows,
worry,
dude.
he's
He's
an
cocky
ex-
today. He knows how
an
to
expert.
अबे दे
Yeah,
बे.
He's an
अबे दे बे.
He's expert
Actually, you're
on-
very right. I don't know how to seal this.
I'm hungry. Give me one.
Yeah, I have.
You want the banana chips? I got some banana chips.
Oh.
Oh,
Kind of
okay.
feels racist that you said.
You want I like banana chips. I got them for myself.
Like, oh, there's a Malayali guy. He will love banana
There's
chips.
a Malayali guy here every time.
Yeah,
so
I
it's
know, I
fine.
know. So you're just like, yeah.
You want banana chips? I'm sure you want jackfruit chips also. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I thought
we
he was
don't
setting
have.
me up for something. I knew it. I knew he would need.
But I was right. See, you picked up the banana
I
chips.
did
only.
pick up the banana chips.
Oh man.
I cannot
Wait.
resist banana
Acha, okay, you opened it that way, na? This is
Yeah,
a waste.
I
And
opened
the
it
thing is,
decently as a human
the,
being.
the thing
Does.
is, I knew we would
I've
seal.
never seen anybody open it like that, though. Honestly, it's
Yeah.
either
More or less,
all
I
the
open
way,
like this only.
yeah.
It's not always like this, but more or less.
This is so clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah, you'll
This-
never need a sealer after this, dude.
This
How-
is
how
what
to
I
open
did.
it
Can
like
you show the
this?
camera how Vinith opened it?
I'm an insane person. That's what
Wow, dude.
This
Oh my-
is so smooth,
it is.
dude.
Dude, wow, that is.
Clean,
What
no?
the
Like,
fuck? You. This
I
is a
tried
new
to
way.
open it like that, but it's always how Govind opened his.
Yeah.
It's always
I'm an
that.
insane person.
Dude, this is
I don't
like
know.
practice. This is not
Generally-
even.
This is technique
never
that
been
should be
this
shared
clean
with the
till
world,
now.
man.
This is very clean.
But more or less, it's kind of like this. It's never.
How?
It's never open in half.
Usually, I've seen people either do it like this.
No,
Ah.
no, that's oh.
yeah.
my
Okay.
God.
Sorry, like this.
Okay.
No, never like that.
Thank
Well,
God we
now
showed
we
it the
can see.
camera.
So,
Ah.
wait, hold on.
No.
Yeah, this I don't think I can because. Oh, okay, wait, no.
हाँ? अब
Okay.
अब रबर बैंड ही डाल दे इतना ये कर दिया तो
You're just remaking
ऐसे
the
ना?
packet entirely. Okay. Oh.
I think you should just make it into a stapler. I think
So
you
are
should
you
staple it.
supposed to hold it and keep so that it heats up and then you do it?
yeah
Maybe you should use it as a lighter now. Just take like
Yeah,
20 minutes to light one cigarette. Just hold it there. Especially that it's banana chips somehow feels more pressure on. Get it right.
this is sealed by the way see
Oh. Is
Wait,
it?
no, other half is still open, dude.
Arey, it's open. Look at this.
He didn't
I
touch that
see-
half.
Yeah.
I didn't touch that.
So have you
this is
sealed the half that Vineet already hadn't opened?
Look at this. There's a line. That we need.
Did you seal the half that Vineet didn't open?
I sealed the wrong part,
Yeah,
but
he sealed
it's
the wrong
sealed.
part.
Let me see.
I just meant that I knew how to
Where is it?
seal.
Oh, yeah.
I think it only works if you open the packet properly and precisely,
For sure.
right?
Yeah.
Because you do need a direction to.
Yeah.
You cannot open it in 4 dimensions and be like it's
I
not
have
sealing.
no clue how to seal this.
Yeah, see, it's opened in the Z plane. You cannot seal time. You cannot seal time. It's gone through things. That's not possible. You have to open it a little decently.
Govind, if you can seal this, then you are the sealing master on this podcast.
I don't want to be the sealing master. Wait,
That's
let me just see
hilarious.
though.
So what is the process though? Are you supposed to hold it and keep?
Yeah, you hold it and keep, and you slowly. This wasn't slow at all. 1 second.
I'm so convinced not to buy this. I will never buy this. I will never buy this.
You don't have to take it, dude. Here
I'm
you
so
go.
happy. Oh God, he's given me. Oh, now I might keep it though.
Well, I sealed the wrong part
You
again.
keep sealing the wrong part,
But
but
not
you end up
bad.
sealing.
But not
yeah.
bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
I mean, nothing changed. It's still pretty much.
But-
open.
If ever I need it wrongly done,
Call me.
yeah.
Call me.
Yeah.
Call me. I'll seal something else in your house. You call me to seal a packet of chips. Your
He's
room
talking to
is
me-
locked.
He's just talking to me about my father, just sealing my old wounds and shit. He's like, no, he loved you.
But,
Don't
but
worry.
it does work. I'm not an expert at it.
No, but it's good. It was better than whatever
it's not
Hosham
bad.
was doing.
So
Hosham
whatever.
was just praying.
Yeah. Whatever I sealed, another friend had opened, and he had opened it properly. So I can't open it properly. He can't open it properly.
Yeah,
you,
if you want-
open it too properly. You
To be
don't
fair-
And then you ruined it.
If you want to use that
Yeah.
gadget, what I suggest is opening it
Yeah.
slowly.
No,
Or
even
with a scissor, maybe.
if I do it with a scissor, then
Scissor
yes,
works.
Yes. So now I need to order a
I
scissor.
cannot believe, as 3 entire human beings, it took so long to come to scissors.
Scissor. Yeah.
I've never thought
People
of
who
using a
invented
scissor.
scissors did it faster than how long it took us to reach that
After
solution.
10 minutes of him like, why not open this packet?
I didn't know I will get something out
Yeah,
of
you're
it.
the first person to get anything.
Very nice.
Welcome, dude.
I
I
don't-
hope you use it and show me if you find a way to do it properly.
I will find a way.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, he opens like a normal person. I'm sure he can
Yeah,
seal
it's
it back.
absolutely possible. I
Yeah.
think I think it's just
really tried.
you have
dude.
suffered a lot.
I really tried. The only time I actually found a way to do it properly was the very first time because I didn't open that packet. Somebody else did.
Basically, we both need someone else to open the
Open a
chips
packet
packet.
for us.
Yeah.
And then also wrap it back.
Yeah. This will get complicated actually. It's just better, just eat it. Just finish it off.
No, I'll order it from Swiggy Instamart or someplace. I'll be like, आप ही खोल के दे दो यार, आप अच्छा खोलते हो तो आप ही खोल के दे दो.
Yeah, you should get chips, send it first to Vineet's house. And then send it back.
Get it open. Done so.
Okay, I'm fasting a Lay's packet. Can
One
you?
chip packet is going to cost us 1,500 bucks.
Terrible late capitalism. Just the worst.
Can you open it? You can have 2-3, but other than that, please send.
Getting a dude to walk in the heat. Sir, नहीं जाओ आप धूप में चल के जाओ.
Fast में they ask parcel value. We'll be like 10 rupees. ये ले लो. ये
It's
ले लो.
not 10 rupees anymore because we opened it. It's zero.
Oh shit.
It's zero. You cannot sell an opened packet of chips.
Oh man.
Dude, now you can.
You still
Dude,
cannot.
it still will.
Not if you seal it. You still cannot.
Not me. Not me. Not me.
He seals it. The VPAS guy वो पैकेट बैग में रखेगा, गिर रहा है, आधा चिप्स बाहर गिर रहा है.
बोलेगा सर आप इधर दो यार मैं करता हूँ.
And he comes and delivers it, and it looks like he ate the packet. And I'm just pissing off.
There's a blade or something also. I think
Yeah.
it's to tear.
Ha, if you do it properly and you want to tear it again, there's a blade also inbuilt.
Or
I've never reached
tear
that
it the
part.
first time.
Exactly.
use
That's
the
how
blade
you
to
should
tear-
open
tear
a
it
packet.
open.
Genius!
I-
Are you
That's
insane? That's
Wasn't
obviously
that-
what it
wasn't
is.
wasn't
I
it
mean, I
insane
did
how-
think about it,
Oh.
but I didn't.
As soon as you said blade, I said we can open it.
Yeah.
And you said you can use the blade once it's
After.
sealed. After you do after the action that I could not do, if that action actually succeeds,
To
then I
undo
can
it.
undo it with the blade that I originally have already
Oh
before.
my god.
Scissor, it took us 10 minutes. This.
I have found out a lot about Hosham.
है ना?
Like It's
anything sharp, he doesn't know what to do with it. Anything sharp, he's like, what to do with this?
I genuinely thought the only purpose of the blade was to open it again after sealing.
Yeah, that's why it's below the sealing part. Now, once you seal, then you use the blade. You don't use the one below.
He's so close to the truth. He's like, by design, the blade is there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it is by design. In fact,
Yeah, if it's the second button, there has to be a reason why it's like.
That's
I'm sure whoever
crazy.
made this was like, सबको पता तो रहेगा ही ना ये blade किसके लिए.
Hoshang, it can be the first button also.
Yeah.
From the other side.
If you
Like, it
use
can
it this way, then the blade is the first
Yeah,
one.
like in the cutting side, it's more
Yeah.
or less the first button.
Hoshang, I don't think you should give this to Vineet. Use multiple, practice, and practice.
Yeah.
I think I'll need.
Once you're done, we fast it to him. Okay.
What's your product, Govind?
Okay, my product that I had in my hand
Yeah,
all,
yeah,
all
wow.
this time.
So good.
So it's this.
What? Sketch pen.
What is that?
It's a beard pen. This is what I
You
meant
have
by.
to give more. What?
This is what I meant
What do you
by,
mean a beard?
like, when you were talking about my beard, I was like, wait for my product because this
No
is to,
way.
it helps you draw a beard.
It helps you draw
So-
a beard.
So Shamik, who was on a previous episode, I was telling him about how I can't grow a beard.
Okay.
And he was like, you can use a beard pen. And I was like, you can't say it in that tone, dude. Like, it's a widely accepted
Yeah, it's not.
thing. A beard
Yeah,
pen.
about. It's not like
Everyone
something.
just
This
knows.
is the first time I'm seeing this thing.
Yeah,
I've never-
but then I bought it. I'm very skeptical to use. There's no
Be
way
honest.
this works.
You
I haven't.
you
I actually
Be honest.
haven't.
This
I actually
mooch-
haven't.
This moustache of yours.
No, it's not a beard pen. I wish it worked that well. So,
Okay.
like, I think what I gathered from
It's
the
already existing beard, you can define.
patches
Ah.
and stuff.
It would be
क्योंकि-
weird if you just drew an entire.
That's what I thought was the purpose was.
No, patches is so that's my problem too with my beard. ऐसे शर्मा के बाजू से आता है मेरा पूरा beard. Like यहाँ कुछ नहीं आता है मेरा. On both sides यहाँ कुछ नहीं आता है. Needed something to fill it, but I'm too scared to use it. I'll use it right now. I'll do it right now.
Please,
Is it
please
like
use it. You have to use
inside
it.
is like sketch pen. What
I-
is it?
It's beard. It's just hair.
It's someone's hair.
It's hair.
Someone
Just like it just starts sticking hair.
someone who donated their hair, it went into this pen.
It was a trimmer first. Once a trimmer is returned,
to what a nice multi-purpose thing, dude.
whenever you return a trimmer, it becomes this.
It becomes this. You know, at a barber shop salon, once you cut your hair, you see them sweep it.
Yeah.
Goes into a pen, dude. They fit it into a pen. Okay, so I'm just gonna. I actually don't know what it looks like. I'm just gonna do it.
Okay.
Tell me what it looks like.
Yeah, I'm excited. It just looks like sketch pen.
Yeah, it looks like you're putting marker on your face right now.
Wow. That looks so real. So good. So good. That'll work, I think. That'll work. For sure, you should turn up at a date like this. Be like, sorry, I didn't get time to shave today.
But I had time to paint my face with a,
This is how you're supposed to do
Yes,
it.
sideburns.
You're making cross zero open, dude. You're
I
supposed
can't
to do
see-
it seedha.
I have no clue what this looks like. Huh, by the
It
way.
looks.
Other side
Wait,
also.
imagine. Think about what it would look like if you use sketch pen on your face. That's exactly what it looks like. Yeah, that's crazy. You look like Veerappan.
Dude, to be honest, you look like me and Vineet right now.
Oh, really?
Absolutely not.
That's all I ever wanted,
There
to
is-
look like bearded people. I can't look
no,
like a...
no. He looks like he's wearing half a mask or something. Yeah.
I actually, I'm,
he
I'm
looks
so...
like he's wearing a COVID mask and he just doesn't want to wear a real mask. So he's just like,
I
he's just trying to
actually...
fool everybody.
These are in the strings of the mask.
Yeah, he looks like an anti-vaxxer. That's what he looks like.
What the fuck, dude? I just wanted a beard, dude. Now I'm an
Because
anti-vaxxer.
you're like, no, I will not wear a mask. No.
Man, so you're saying this doesn't look like a beard?
I am not saying.
Elvis. Like, you know how
Yeah.
he had that beard?
Yeah. yeah. For sure, bro.
It's not, no?
No. I really think if you stick fake hair, it might look more real.
No, actually, from this distance, it it actually looks quite passable.
Are you
as a
at the
beard.
moon?
I'm not even kidding.
Is he producing from the
I'm
moon?
not even kidding,
There is
dude.
no other explanation.
I'm not even kidding.
The sweat is going into your eyes. There is no
What?
way you
It
think
looks.
this is-
Hey, listen, dude. I'll take anything.
Like,
so you're
if I-
saying?
see,
One
if,
second. Let me
If
just
you
have
didn't
a-
see
let
him
me just-
draw it on, it would take you a second to, you know.
Can you just turn this side like this? Yeah.
What the fuck is that? Show me.
I mean,
Can I see? Can I see it up close?
Check, I can see more on the right side. The right cheek actually quite well done. I must say.
I did a good job on the right
Yeah,
side.
Yeah,
check
that's
the
because
right cheek.
that's because Hoshang did it in like.
Yeah, see, that was better.
Still not.
Can I
Still
can
not.
I see a
Not
photo? Can I see a
natural hair.
photo?
Still not on the.
as
Yeah,
a
that
draw
does look
on,
better.
as a draw on, it is.
No, not as a drawing. Yes, of course, as a shading techniques, surely it's better than yours. But the lines.
This is worse. What are you talking
No,
about?
yours is too many strokes. It doesn't. It looks very like a baby
It's
did it.
all over the place.
I look like I'm in a jungle trying to camouflage with the
Yeah,
trees, dude.
Yep, exactly.
With a fucking
Absolutely right.
AK-47 in my
Absolutely
hand,
right.
like a Naxal in Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah. Car. Famous
Yeah.
for its nuts.
Yeah.
Have you watched Tropical Thunder?
Yeah.
Do you remember Robert Downey Jr.?
Tropic-
It really does
Tropic
look-
Thunder.
Exactly.
You look
It
like
looks
bland
exactly
face
like that.
Robert Downey Jr. dude.
Why are they saying this is a beard pen?
I think
it
it's
is a
only when you
pen.
have a beard and you can increase.
Patches,
For
na?
example, try it on Hoshang.
Yeah.
Just
That's
add
what
one
you-
line. Actually, you won't. You're
It's
bad
actually
at the.
meant for filling in.
Yeah, like alopecia. Alopecia
Yeah,
ही होता है ना?
I guess.
What?
Alopecia is when you have those.
Just
What
do-
Will
do-
Smith?
do less
what Will
strokes,
Smith
though.
slapped Chris Rock for? That was
Oh
alopecia.
no, I don't. I do think Govind is not good at this.
I wish you guys find out this is actually permanent marker.
It's really. Yeah. See, it's fine.
Just to
Kind
just to
of.
fill things,
Yeah.
like I think
When,
it works.
with somebody
I
who
put
actually
very
knows
less.
how to fill it.
Yeah. They can do a good job with
I think you might be able to do.
Hey,
a better
listen,
job of
Vinny.
it.
I
I'm
figured out
terrible
I
at it.
can't open
That's why I'm not
packets of
touching it.
chips.
Yeah,
I
I'm just
figured
glad
out
I'm
I
better
can't.
at
draw.
this. I'm just good at this. I'm very glad to know that.
No, you are not good at it. You are
I am bad at
ever
it.
so lightly better than him.
Vinny,
And Antariksh,
It's blind.
yeah, he has no eyes.
Guys,
I think.
see now that I've seen both.
From here, it doesn't look. Okay.
Now that I've seen both
so
photos, I've
He
seen
really
both
loves
photos.
you or something.
I've seen both photos of me. I agree, dude. You're fucking blind. Those photos were horrible. What kind of beard is this, dude?
It's a bad beard, but as a beard, if just I take it face value, okay, that
Face
is your
value
beard.
for
There is no
sure.
other
I'm
value.
buying it.
There is no
I'm
other
buying
value
it.
for
Yeah.
beard.
That's
Beard
what
is
I'm saying.
always face value.
It
Antariksh.
is
There is
face
no other
value.
value. There is no other value at all. You never look at a
Dude,
beard and go,
okay.
actually, nuance dekha jaye to it's a good beard. No. You take it just as it looks. Oh, that's not a beard.
That's from a different angle.
Yeah. It's not like if I meet Govind at a party and I'm like, you know what, Govind painted a beard on his face. But the conversations were really nice. No,
You know,
absolutely not.
From
I will never get over it.
behind, from behind that beard looks very good.
Yeah, because, yeah, absolutely.
That's it. That's the only angle it can look good from.
Turn around. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Looks
See?
much better.
Yeah.
You're really
Do
nailing
you
it on the
think
backside.
there are hair fillers like bald people ke liye, like balding people ke liye?
Yeah, wigs.
I mean,
Yeah, that real hair exists still that
Yeah,
people
yeah,
donate. Dude, fuck you, Shamik. Why the fuck did you recommend
Can
me?
you believe how Shamik treated you also? Like he kind of emasculated you.
Guys-
You don't have a beard pen.
Yeah,
Like,
he
guys,
made
if
me.
I think if this has been working for Shamik all these years, I think it works for you.
He
also.
doesn't have a beard. Oh, no, he does.
Yeah.
He does. He
He
does.
has a light beard. I think that's
Yeah,
why.
he has a light beard.
This is what he
No,
uses.
Yeah, he made me feel like shit. Ki you don't know about this, and that made me feel like, oh, I should know about this. I should have this. Then I got it, and I was like,
You
I
don't-
should have never known about
Yeah,
this
you
because
have
this.
to- you take a printout of a beard and just stick it here. It might work better than this. I swear
Dude,
to
for
God.
sure. If I was sitting where you're sitting with those leaves, you wouldn't be able to see me, dude. I'll be camouflaged right now. Just two people podcast. That's it.
Oh my God, Govind is so good at camouflage.
Wait,
Fuck.
can I sit there for a minute? I just want to see.
Dude, I'm sure that day when Shabik told you about this, he went back home and you're like, won't believe what I made Govind do today.
Oh my God, where is Govind?
Guys, I'm
is
here,
Govind?
guys. I'm here.
Can't see him
No,
at all.
I'm still here. Guys, I know that the beard pen does a
my
good job,
God.
but I'm here. I'm here.
People will find out I'm my height exactly now.
This
No.
angle though, with the one, the side I drew, with no light on it.
So in the darkness.
Dark, yeah. in the darkness.
In the darkness, it looks
So
like a
when
beard.
the lights
In
are
the
off,
darkness, I have to tell you, everything looks like a beard. I swear to God, the entire sky looks like a beard in the darkness.
dude,
It's crazy how
this
that
will
works,
do
no?
so well in Kerala because there are so many power outages.
Yeah, but it won't work in the morning,
Yeah.
brother. The
Not in
power
the
outages
morning.
are in the morning mostly.
yesterday
It
my
won't work.
dad was telling me कि electricity चला गया था. Dude, जो beard रहेगा मेरा वहाँ पर बांधी ले. पर फिर
plan-
generator से वापस आ जाएगा light, तब छुपना पड़ेगा मेरे को.
So to your family, it's like you shaved right in the darkness
Yeah.
just before light came.
Okay, now you can come back. Now,
I mean, it's too much power here.
yeah.
Jesus Christ. Look at the difference. Just look at it. I couldn't reach the mic.
You do look short.
Yeah.
In the
Now here it looks like you fixed me in post, bro. It looks like. Now it looks like you hacked.
We gave you the big
That's
boy chair.
true.
Basically,
thing
what
is-
it looks like, you've given me one of those barbershop fucking things underneath.
ऊपर.
There's nothing. God.
That's true. नहीं नहीं ये chair काफी नीचे है. ये chair.
Thanks, brother.
Do you still get
मैं
asked-
नीचे है मैं बहुत नीचे
When was the last time you got asked for ID?
I never get asked because my beard is
Yeah,
My
he
beard has
does.
always been
You know, I
long,
like
but-
draws it really well. You can't tell how good.
No, so when I shave pura, when I trim shave pura, and like वो patchy beard भी नहीं है, when it's clean shaven, then I've gotten asked for an ID. Even now, I'm 31. I've still gotten asked
no,
for
but
an
you have a young boy face when
Yeah,
you
that's
completely
why
clean
I
shave.
want this. I want a beard, dude. Enough
but
of the young boy face.
But painting a beard looks more like a young boy than if you actually
You know what
have a young boy.
you know what I should
You
have.
know, like when you show your ID, they'll be like, oh, he faked the ID also. Then he probably drew on the ID.
McLovin.
This fucker can draw a beard. There's no way the
He
ID
def-
is
this 5 is definitely drawn on with the same pen, just badly done like a crayon.
You know what I should do? Me and 2 other people on top with that jacket and this trench coat and a beard. That's all. That is the complete package.
Will work. Absolutely.
Anyway, that's my fucking product.
Let me just finish this quickly. आगे देख इधर देख इधर.
Finish it as if that's the only
Yeah.
thing. Oh yeah.
I think. Oh, you know
Now
what?
it looks like you don't want any nazar on him.
Like you do on babies.
Yeah. Now it looks like you are protecting him. That's cute. Now it's fine. Now you're entering clown era. This is the clown shapes. This is where the clown paint goes.
you know, I wasn't sure if this would work. I didn't expect it to be just a sketch pen, though. I thought there would be.
You know, to be fair, it for sure looks like a sketch pen.
Yeah.
Like, there is
Yeah,
no
but-
point at which I go, oh no, this just looks.
But see, look at that.
Yeah,
Look at
the
that.
bristles give it
There's
away.
bristles, yeah.
But I've seen sketch pens with these kind of bristles.
Fair enough. Done. Over. Entirely unartistic human beings. Only Hoshang. Only Hoshang knows. Hoshang knows nothing about anything else. Only specifically this tipped nib. He's an expert on. Cautionary tale that people might happen. Or should I start with the dumb thing I did?
Whatever you want to start with. Whatever you think
I've-
would be
I've-
better.
Dumb.
No other guest has brought 100 things. I am the only one. Who,
Shamik got 300 toothpick.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Should have
And
is
Dudeza had 101 sleeping items.
Oh yeah.
yeah. What is this?
This is an ear plug.
You have
You have so
hundreds
many.
of these?
Yeah, I bought a whole. My girlfriend wanted one, and we
One.
wanted one because there is construction going on top of us.
Yeah.
And I said, sure. I mean, I'll buy you.
Of course.
Yeah. And I just bought
Is-
like 1,000.
Is that
And now
cons-
every time somebody comes to our house, while they leave, we just give them one earmuff. So
is that construction going on for your whole life? How many?
These
So
are reusable.
How
right?
tall is this building?
Sorry?
These are reusable, right?
I don't care. I've not checked. I did not check after
Yeah,
that.
these are not. If
I
you
have infinite. I have infinite. I might be the reason turtles are dying.
These are disposable, by the way, so you weren't wrong.
They are disposable. Yeah, they can call it disposable.
Oh, by the way,
This is only called disposable.
Was
this
this
won't work.
what Dudeja had
Dudeja
also gotten?
but he, like a regular person, had 2 of these.
Yeah.
I
Maybe
thought
he
I
took
was
from
buying
you. You
100
didn't
one for
notice.
you also.
Dude, you can throw
It's
one
very
to
light.
every house in that
It's
building.
very light. Wait, don't pick it up. I'll throw you another one. Just leave it there. Nobody touch
He
it.
can keep throwing until he
Take as many as you want.
he can keep throwing
This is
until
my
he gets
magic
it right.
After this, Govind will just pull a string out of my mouth. Like, what do you want to pull one out of
But
my mouth?
wait, why?
Don't give it your fucking cat.
Oh,
I
dude.
try. Okay, this
Why?
I tried to buy one,
Yeah.
and I bought 6,000 of these.
No, but
6,000?
I mean,
no. How much? Wow. He
100
takes
packets.
things.
Oh my.
100 of
100.
these. These are, there
Okay.
are like I think this is like 100.
Why?
I don't know, and I don't know why I didn't get ticked off by the price.
How much was it for?
Yeah.
Like, obviously, this must be like $2-3, maybe 10 rupees
Per
whatever.
packet?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
that packet? What does it cost per packet? Is it?
It
written
says
there?
21 rupees.
It's just okay.
21?
21 is also
21
expensive,
is
but
expensive.
still,
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah, I paid. I don't know how much I paid. I paid in the hundreds.
I think that's not
That's
bad
okay.
at all, dude. If you're
But-
getting
but-
I
hundreds
paid
of
in the
something in hundreds.
But I didn't know I was getting 100. No.
Oh,
I was trying to buy one of these.
Wait, what did the packet show? Like the listing of the product?
I don't think he read it.
Yeah.
I
didn't
think he
read it
just searched for
properly.
earplugs and he bought the
Because
first
the
thing which showed
photo
up.
of the product is just one earplug packet.
Oh, so that's great. You buy that, and then later they're like, actually, we're sending you 100.
100.
Like, what? No.
So now I'm in a pyramid scheme where I have to sell these forward and they pay me money.
How
or
many
something.
do you have
I don't
left?
know what this is. I don't know why it's
But
like this.
it's half empty, so looks like you've gotten rid of half of
Yeah,
them
because
at
he
least.
keeps giving it away. He
Yeah,
threw 5
no,
right
no.
now.
Because now I have to pretend to everybody who comes to my house like I made this decision consciously. now it looks like I'm making a statement against Bombay and the BMC and everything.
Everyone who comes to your house, you're like,
So I'm just like, no, it was not a mistake. My girlfriend just starts roasting me immediately. Actually, right before you leave, you know what we have? And she just opens the cupboard and just hundreds of these just fall outside. And she's like, this motherfucker, I asked him for one thing. And so he just bought 6,000,
Dude, you
That's
should-
very sweet of
It's
you.
very sweet.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
told her also, I was like, nobody. Like,
Yeah.
you remember, if you ever want to break up with me, remember, nobody will buy you 200 of
But
these.
if you ever break up, you have to divide these
Oh. yeah.
50-50.
Yeah. She can, you know what? She can have everything.
What a
You can
guy,
have-
dude. What a guy. Look at this
They
guy.
don't make them like this anymore.
Yeah.
Them. I bought all of them. They don't make any more of this.
That's why you bought all of them.
You know, you know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about this company who made this.
Yeah.
And they never get this big an order.
Yeah,
They
I'm
must have a
sure.
party
And
that
suddenly-
night, dude. They
No,
must have
I think-
They're
celebrated.
like, whoa.
I think you know what they made so much. They were like, "What do we do with this?" So
Yeah.
then now they're listing one,
Yeah.
and then they buy one. Whoever buys one, they're like, "Send 100, send
Yeah.
100
Yeah,
right
this
now."
guy bought
Don't
a
tell him. Don't tell him we're
Yeah.
sending 100.
He didn't
Just
read the
send
quantity part of the
nothing. No, but
object.
when you give this to people,
Yeah.
whoever comes to your house,
I say that, it's difficult to live in Bombay, right?
yeah,
Am I right?
Are you like, hey, do you have construction
Isn't
going on?
Is noise pollution bad? Take
Is
it.
there
It wasn't a
construction
mistake.
going on? Actually,
I'm-
it's in the
I'm a political
next,
comic.
next lane.
I'm a political comic, very specifically. Only
know,
my group of friends.
All these politicians give out laptops.
Oh
and
yeah. This will be my sign when I eventually start my political
This should
party.
be your merch, dude.
No. This is my party symbol.
This is the party set.
I'm going to be like,
and earplug.
vote for the earplugs.
No one,
Earplugs
will
mein
be,
dabaye.
no one
Earplugs.
will be able to vote for you because in rallies they can't hear you. They're wearing your earplugs. They're like, क्या बोल रहा है ये?
You're like, I have the healthiest ears of all the voter groups. My voter group has the healthiest ears.
But they just can't hear you.
They don't hear anything. They can't. I think he's making really good points. But
Let's vote for the other guy. Wait, I don't know what the fuck this guy is saying.
the other guy has headphones.
He's running a silent disco. It's directly going into their ears.
This is just.
But you use them every
honestly,
day?
I'm so happy that you called me for the podcast because I was like, oh my god, I have exactly. I really need to get rid of these things because also it kind of looks shady, bro.
Dude, it does.
Can we do a giveaway for our listeners?
Oh yeah, I
yeah.
will give all of these away. You don't need to do anything. Don't subscribe. Don't comment. Nothing.
Just give it.
Nothing. I'll just give away. Anyway.
Just DM him.
Directly.
Directly.
Do you
Start
want
letting it out.
Do you not have enough choking hazards in your house?
Free
Do
shipping.
you have pets? Why
Free
don't you-
shipping across the world,
Yeah.
guys. Wherever you live.
And I have 2 cats, so we have to keep all of this shit locked.
Oh, dude, yeah.
But do you use them every night? Like, do you use a new
Yeah, do
packet
you-
every night?
Do you
I
use
not.
them at all?
No, I don't. Where
Because
will
the
I?
construction stops.
Construction.
Yeah, but it's like
It's inconvenient.
now we just keep it because we want to do this whole bit every time somebody comes. So we don't
When,
end up using
how long
it at
has
all.
it been since you bought this?
You see, it's been a few months.
No, I can't see
It's
shit.
been
You
a month.
bought hundreds.
It's been a month since construction started. So
Yes,
as
but-
many people have come to my house, I've given them.
Wow, you're a busy guy, dude. A lot of people come to your house.
Was it
It's
was it
done.
like filled till the brim? This?
No, I mean it's filled like chips packets are filled.
Okay.
No, what I meant by the bag is shady is that there's no branding on that bag कि ये company का है और ऐसे बस थैले में डाल के दे दिया देखो.
Oh, wow.
That's
There are people.
Oh,
there
they
are
have a
company who
band
makes-
connecting them, dude.
They're a
Earplugs.
company who makes ear plugs. though.
plugs.
They don't have a marketing
Not
team.
blocking anything. Huh?
Huh?
I can hear you guys absolutely clearly. It's
I think
not
it's
blocking
supposed to go.
shit.
I think it's supposed to go way further inside though.
Yeah, I mean.
Can you
nothing
hear
is-
us?
No, it's not going
in
inside at
only.
all. It's supposed to go way further. Like you have to. I don't know how it works honestly.
what the fuck you talk? You have 100.
Many of
I
these
tried to. You
experiment.
have to press it and stuff. Like take it out. Take it out first. Press it completely. Like make a
okay.
press
Like
it like
this.
this. Make it very solid. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now shove it inside your as much as you
Yeah,
can.
so
And
you can
it's
hear you properly.
huh?
I can still hear you properly.
You can hear us
Yeah.
Oh,
properly.
Yeah.
oh
The
good. Then it's
fuck?
working.
Hey, wait. Can you hear Antriksh?
Can you hear me? Can you
Yeah.
hear me? Can you hear
Can
what
you
I'm
hear
saying?
Antriksh?
Can you hear what I'm saying, man?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Can
It's
you hear what I'm
actually,
saying?
it's actually really cheap earphones. That's just for it works.
This is surround. Matlab
Really
the.
cheap earphones if you have extra speakers
Yeah.
lying around
The
outside.
noise activation. Noise activation.
This is AirPods adaptive mode.
yeah. Ambient.
ambient.
mode. Entirely ambient. Motherfucker, where will I use it? It's bad.
Again, I'm
But
just
these
saying value
fuckers-
for money wise,
These
it's not
fuckers are
bad.
lying, 21 rupees and then 100 each 300 rupees.
Clearly, they're still able to sell
That's
these
3
things.
rupees per.
No, they're not able to sell it. They gave all of their product to you. They just wanted to
Their
get
entire
product.
inventory.
Yeah, instead of for
Take it,
300,
Their whole warehouse is empty.
If it's 300, that's 3 rupees a piece.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah,
is
nice.
21 rupees per
Okay.
piece. ये
Why
क्या
are you
discount है
worried-
भाई?
Why are you worried about the unit
No,
economics?
no, no.
Are you watching a lot
You
of
know
Shark
why?
Tank?
You know why? You know why? Because I could do the math for the first time.
it was the easiest math.
In the
Yeah.
last few episode we tried doing
He's
math,
like,
it
that
wasn't
brings me to my
mathing.
next product, a calculator that I bought.
No, I'm very bad at math, so I was just very
Yeah.
impressed with myself. I was like, let me tell them that I did the math in my head. So,
3
that was
into
it.
100 is what you're. Okay.
What's your
Can give
next?
to everybody.
What's the next
What's your
product?
next product, man?
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
This is insane though. That you have hundreds of these.
Now, this thing that I bought,
Yeah.
it's on. It sounded good.
Okay, in
This
theory.
is not a wrong purchase in that.
Oh,
sense.
this is a duster, nah?
This is a duster.
It bends and all, right?
Huh?
This one bends and all.
The fuck?
It extends and shit.
Is your?
Does it bend?
Does it bend?
Yeah, it bends.
This. I
This is
remember.
basically what this is for. Let me just assemble it.
You guys remember
Hey.
Asian Sky Shop used to be when we
Yeah,
were kids?
yeah.
Asian
Yeah,
Sky-
yeah, yeah,
These
yeah.
are the kind of products they would sell.
Ha
on
ha
that.
ha! Raat ko
Yeah,
I tried
right.
calling them. They never picked up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I wanted to see.
Oh, okay.
They said
Oh,
when.
those Naptol
Yeah,
thing,
Naptol wale.
So what this is? This is to clean ceiling fans.
Yeah.
Okay.
So theoretically, it sounds like it works, right?
Yeah.
It extends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this thing bends and all.
Oh wow, dude, that's actually.
Oh, that.
Yes.
Oh, I did
I'm sure
not
it's not
expect
just
that.
for fans. It's to reach
No,
places
it's
which are.
specifically said
Oh,
for-
okay. Sorry. dude.
So I ordered it.
Yeah.
I said, wow,
Yeah.
come on.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Every video I post, some fucker is like ceiling fan behind ceiling, ceiling fan is
Oh,
visible in my
ganda
frame.
dikh raha hai.
And I'm like, "Nah, fan saaf kar." मतलब भैंस तू चुप बैठे से.
Shakal dekhna.
So I was like, this guy, I'm gonna shut that guy up. One guy.
Yeah.
Just one guy.
Yeah.
And I spent like.
You could have blocked him, but you were like,
No,
नहीं नहीं
no,
मैं
no,
काम
no.
करूँगा, साफ
Or I
करूँगा.
could have just put a stool. And already used the thing I have, which
That's
bends
true.
like this also.
A cloth would have done this
Cloth
job, but
does
yeah.
do that actually.
Yeah.
And this doesn't work, by the way.
What do you mean
Wait,
it
doesn't
doesn't
clean?
work?
No.
How
because
come not?
you extend this thing.
Yeah.
You put it on the fan.
Yeah.
You put it on the
There
fan.
is no way to hold the fan in place.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Fan's gonna fall, dude.
Ah.
And the thing just keeps moving and nothing gets cleaned.
It's a two-person job. One person has to hold the fan in place.
Abbe,
and
then
someone
to
has to
clean
hold
only
it.
if you're holding the fan clean.
No.
The person has to use a stool to get
so
up.
the only way it works, yeah, if I take the head out,
And you
Climb
go
it
down
on
the
the
stool.
and even then, this cloth is stupid. It doesn't clean good. It doesn't do well.
It just makes it
So-
fall on your bed, dude. All the dust and
नहीं नहीं
No,
वो
it just
तो-
doesn't touch the dust at all.
No, but see, it would fall on your bed if it works.
doesn't work.
उतना भी नहीं हो
It
रहा है.
doesn't work. The dust doesn't come outside.
But
So
it looks like it works, you know, like
Exactly.
It looks like it works
it
for
looks
sure.
Really like it works.
like
but
it bends. It looks like someone put thought into this, dude.
Yeah.
And
It
I've seen
extends.
brushes. I mean, whatever this is, I've seen cleaners like this
I
which
don't know.
work.
Maybe then this just simply I've tried it on surfaces and still doesn't.
So
do
it just
really
doesn't
well.
clean any surface?
It doesn't. Like I just got so depressed by the fact that it didn't work with the fan that I also didn't try it anywhere else.
Okay, fair.
another giveaway, guys. If you want.
I got so sad, you know, like I was like I thought I will be a hero of this
Yeah,
house.
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
the person who
I'm gonna
cleans
be
But
like-
then
fan,
instead,
good.
in the
gonna be
next,
like, yeah,
in
I'm
the
gonna be
next
like, you know what I
videos,
did? I'm such a clean freak. I find these products so useful. I'm gonna tell people and all of that. You know, maybe recover from this debacle, from the fucking this
Yeah,
debacle.
makeup.
But in the
damage
damage
it
it did.
into another disaster.
in the next video, that guy was like, "It's dirtier.
Yeah.
It's worse."
Yeah.
Vineet.
Because I can't clean this.
Yeah.
It gets on dust, but it doesn't get clean, bro. Like
No, but wait.
I'm just in trouble.
How
I'm
much was
just-
this for?
This is not that cheap. I don't remember how much it is for.
I think
Thousands or
700,
hundreds?
800 easy.
No, no, no.
More than that?
No, no, no. I think
Lesser than
500, 600 probably. Or
No,
lower
because the
than
smaller
500.
one, smaller dusters comes like 300 bucks.
Ah, then
Yeah,
maybe
exactly.
600. Maybe
Yeah,
600.
600,
700.
something.
It's not definitely not 1000 or anything.
Dude, to be honest, like, I would be so sold. It extends. It
Exactly.
bends.
Correct. I would have bought
The
it.
photos are that lady is really cleaning the fuck out of
Yeah,
this
how is she
fan.
doing it in the picture?
Yeah, she's
And the
just
camera, the fan is not moving at all.
There's a video and all of that.
Huh.
And oh yeah, they don't show the fan.
Then what are they cleaning?
They're like, it extends, and they just cut to an image of a fan. And I'm like,
It
wow, I'm
extends.
convinced.
We won't.
Yeah.
We won't show you,
And
but
I'm convinced. So now,
but you know what you can do?
yeah,
Like just
I can
to
do
salvage
Quidditch,
this.
Play Quidditch. I can pretend. I'm like, oh no, I got the most modern one, bro.
Quidditch.
Yeah.
It's so.
It comes with a backrest.
Yeah, it's a collector's edition. It's only in the newest ones. No, it
No, I'm
doesn't.
saying your ceiling, not the fan. The ceiling, corners and all. I'm sure this cleans that.
Yeah.
The dust
I
there.
already have things to clean that. I have a stick.
What do you mean you have a stick?
Like just a
The
normal
regular
mop,
duster,
you can
yeah.
just go like this.
Acha, yeah.
But
yeah.
those don't bend.
Or even the
bro.
jhadu actually.
Yeah.
I don't live in a palace
Yeah.
where the ceiling is
Ceilings are so high.
20 feet high, where I need this insane extension taller than myself, might I add, to entirely extend. I become superhuman to clean one cobweb. No, I just take a jhadu and just go. It's a small house. It's just.
Can I see this? Can I? Oh. It looks like a boom mic, by the way.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, I might finally have a use for this.
Yeah, this is how it's
What do you
Wait, let me,
capturing.
let me, yeah, hold it up to me. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just clean, wipe my sweat. It doesn't wipe. It doesn't wipe anything.
Can you try cleaning the top of that chatta?
Yeah, try.
See when it
one
dust
second.
comes.
Yeah. It won't.
Hey, bend
Oh,
it,
wait.
bend it. Yeah.
Oh,
dude.
come on, yaar. Come
I'm
on.
sorry,
How
man, I'm
dare
It's a
you?
bent table, you can't bend this.
Yeah. Mm.
Arey,
Come on, you have
They
to
will
lock
lock
it.
it?
Gosh, shit, yeah.
Come on, Govind.
Yeah, just fuck the roof.
This is so clean. It has captured no dust.
Nothing. It doesn't capture anything.
Maybe
It
it
doesn't-
absorbs all the dust because.
अबे absorb पे भी दिखता है ना?
Sorry.
What do you think
I don't know.
absorption
I really
is?
want to buy this because I would love to clean my ceiling fan.
Oh, then don't buy it.
Yeah.
Do you love to make your fan turn without switching on?
Sometimes.
Then it works.
Right?
Then it works.
At night when I'm bored.
It works. It really works.
Dude, I've
Anything you
never-
can actually, you can just use it as like, I can just push this camera away. You know? You can use it as a pushing tool for sure.
If you want to turn on a
Can I
remote
scratch my
like
back
TV,
with this?
No, it won't scratch your
Okay,
back.
fuck.
It won't even clean your back.
Will it tickle my back?
dude, this.
It might tickle your back.
I
yeah.
have a lot of cleaning products also, but I've never seen something this useless. Huh? I'm glad this
And
has never
so-
shown up
But
on.
the thing is, it
And
doesn't
I've
look
never
useless.
seen something, look so useful,
looks so useful.
and be so bad at its job.
This is. I've never
The
seen
amount of
something this.
thought and engineering gone into
Dude,
it.
I like how they were like, it should extend, it can bend. What about cleaning? Fuck that, no cleaning.
Sir, it's one of those conversations. Sir, that thing is made like it bends and everything. You can touch it's crazy. It can touch the fan, but only one problem it has. It doesn't quite take the dust out of the fans though.
Nothing.
Yes.
No,
Does
who
it?
cares? It's colorful. It's pretty. It looks really nice.
Were there other colors?
Huh?
Were there other colors?
I don't know.
Oh, you were very sold on the blue one, so okay,
Yeah,
makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes
And
sense.
blue seems like a cleaning product color.
Can you send the link to this?
Hmm?
It
Even my
actu-
duster is blue. You're right. Now
You
that
know,
I'm
I've
thinking
never
about it,
thought
all my
about this,
cleaning
yeah.
stuff is
You know
blue.
what I mean?
Even
It's
my
blue.
wiper is blue.
Maybe
I-
this is for the boys. The pink one cleans better. Okay, cut that out.
Damn, Antariksh.
Okay.
I think you're getting married soon. What the hell? Yeah. Come on, man. I'm not coming to your wedding. I'm not RSVP. About that RSVP, Antariksh.
This guy.
Yeah, I'm suddenly not interested in Antariksh anymore.
Good God.
On RSVPing. Oh God.
Anyway.
Anyway, yeah.
No, like blue, this color. Or like
No, I've never
neon green. Scotch
neon
Brite
green,
color.
Neon green. Yeah.
Those are trusty colors. I'm
I've
like, yeah,
never
that'll clean.
thought about it, but yeah, the color. Like
Yeah.
I always buy these, like the gun, this shade of blue also.
Is it
never-
like
Exactly,
famous
this shade,
brand?
like hospital blue.
Yeah.
Is it like a famous brand?
No.
Like Scotch Brite or
No, it's not a successful product.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not.
They would never make something like
you
this.
both of you saw it for the first time,
Yeah,
and you
yeah,
guys
yeah,
buy
yeah,
shit all the time.
Yeah.
Like, no.
And we have a lot of
And you're
cleaning products
professionally
also.
you're buying
Yeah.
things now also.
No, I'm saying any big brand will never
Yeah.
make something like this, dude.
That's-
But wait.
Oh yeah,
they-
because big brands don't make useless things at all ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
No,
do.
I'm saying wait. Is there any branding on this?
No brand.
They knew this was shit. they were like,
No, it's much worse.
What?
They thought they've made something so unique, it doesn't need branding. Like, they thought it's like the iPhone or something.
They're like, we don't
They're
want
like-
to patent this. Everyone in the world deserves this.
Yeah, they
yes.
no. They were like, any time they think clean, they will look at, like, you know, Dyson.
but then see,
you
Yeah,
know what
yeah,
a Dyson,
Dyson,
looks
yeah,
like?
yeah.
They were like, this is what
But-
this weird
but the
noodly
thing
will
is
look
But
like.
the
that-
Dyson of cleaning is Dyson.
Dyson, yeah.
Why would they think of
But the
that?
thing is, it only works if, like, your brands, any logo, something's there, dude. What?
I
There's
mean,
nothing
see,
here.
it worked because he bought it. He looked at it and like, oh, this will work.
He doesn't remember the
No,
brand.
but I'm actively making people not buy it also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how badly it
That's
did
how
not
but
work.
that only
also,
works
to
if
be fair.
people know the brand.
Do you think it's possible that how I was using the sealer wrong, that you are using this wrong?
I want you to use it.
I
right.
don't know.
No,
What
okay.
is this?
Govind is Govind uses things rightly,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
No, but see, there's
He
only
couldn't
so
clean
many.
a
couldn't clean.
roof.
The-
A roof, if I blow on it, I'm sure that roof will get
Exactly.
cleaned.
There's only so many ways to clean, dude. It's
Yeah,
not
it
that tough.
absolutely should. If I put this in mud, it will have no mud here. I'm telling you, it will have no mud.
Dude, it's one of those products that doesn't catch anything.
You know, I think this has use in like laboratories, like as a sterile product. Like
That's
it's
true.
so good.
That's true. It'll be
Like,
so good at.
You can go to space and collect samples. Oh, you cannot collect. Sorry,
No, you can't
collect
collect
anything.
nothing.
there.
How can you collect?
You can.
You can. You bend it so much, things can sit on the. That's
No, it won't.
some
It won't let
purpose.
it. It's some space age technology. It just slides off. It doesn't work at all.
So I think
What it is,
Okay, listen.
you know how shitty products they just sell as anti-anxiety products.
Oh,
They'll
like
be
the
this, you
cloth
can just
is.
press it. So
Yeah,
it just-
yeah, yeah. No, but
it
I'm
feels weird.
I'm saying if you put it in water, is it like a mop at least?
That's actually.
But it's microfiber. Microfiber is bad with water, generally.
Yeah.
But what about
Yeah, I
those
knew
cleaning
that. I knew
sprays?
that.
What about like Colin or something?
Colin, what?
Colin
this-
sprays.
Colin
No,
will
no.
bounce off of it. I feel.
Yeah.
If I hit it with Colin, it will just
Back to your
reflect
face.
back on your face. My face is just shiny as hell.
Basically, you on any surface, you uske upar you keep.
I
and
know.
then it
I know how
bounces
hard
off.
you guys are trying. This is space age
This is
technology.
useless.
Yeah, this
This
is
is way ahead of its time.
way ahead of its
Yeah.
time.
And it's way beyond its time. And it's way before its time also.
This has no time.
It
This
has no
should
time.
never have a time.
It only
It exists
exists
between space and time.
with me. You know? It really just...
you know, I've seen some Amazon products where it has one review.
Yeah.
You should give it a review. I'm sure it has 0 reviews
I'm
right
going
now.
to.
Did
Yeah.
you read the reviews
I'm going to
before
give a
buying it?
review and I'm going to send you screenshot.
Yes,
You can put
please.
it on
Yes.
this.
Please,
now,
please.
now, seamlessly we get to a segment where we review our product. Now let's rate one. Let's start with whoever started. You started, na? Yeah, okay. Your.
What do you rate these?
I mean, you know what?
It works.
You know
it
what?
does work if you know how to use it.
I'll rate this well because this is mine. I also have this. His is this, yeah.
I just
I
Fair
rate that
enough.
very badly.
Yeah.
Fuck this one. This
doesn't
is
work.
good. No, it works.
Arey, both are the same.
I also
only.
have
I,
it.
I rate that
It's just
really
different
well.
colours.
Yeah.
I am just dicey about rating Hoshang.
Yeah, correct.
I am not sure.
Yeah, we never thought of rating ourselves. So
As users, yeah.
not
How much would you
good.
rate
as
Hoshang
users, yeah.
Actually, that's a nice
It's
category. Rate
like
the product
10
and
on
the
10
user.
because it does what it does, and
It
also
does.
extra it goes one step, says you can even tear it
You can
apart
even tear it, yeah.
once you've sealed it, of course. Not before that.
Not before. You can't do that.
Before that.
It
Don't even
You
malfunctions
can't
try.
use the
otherwise.
blade till
It
then.
malfunctions.
But Hoshang, not good. Not good.
Out of 5, the product gets a 5.
Or
Five.
spoiler
It's
0 to
useful.
5, not good.
Hoshang gets -3.
Just absolute. Yeah.
I
this-
agree.
I'm surprised by the cognitive dissonance that this man
It's like having a superpower but not knowing how to use it.
absolutely is not finding
That's
out
true.
about-
Finding out you
And
can fly one day before
Not
you
only
die.
that,
Like, fuck, this is how.
I think he solves crossword puzzles in reverse. Like I think he solves it like
I don't read the clues. I
Yeah.
just start putting the words.
Oh my god, it fit! It fit!
This
And the word
should
is
be.
the word is just Zurkha. Z-R-R-K.
It should
Is
be
it
ball. It's a 2-letter word. No,
Yeah.
it's ball.
Yeah. And 30 years down the line, he gets one word.
Yeah.
I was
But-
right, guys.
But yeah, I agree with Vineet on this
Yeah.
because I thought you would.
I kinda
It's
agree
pretty.
too.
I think they have a manual. If not a manual, they have just like one page where they're like, it's pretty easy. You should just seal it like
It's
this.
in Chinese. I read the
Ah,
manual.
oh.
Yeah,
No,
I
but see, I would actually take back the -3. It should just be 1. Kyuki.
Oh, thanks. Dude.
No, that's
Oh.
because someone explained how to do this to me. So
No, that takes away from your marking. It doesn't give him
It
marking.
doesn't give me extra marks.
He gets -3.
You just come
okay,
closer to
fair.
my marks.
He's out,
fair,
he's out.
fair. -3.
In the integers, he's on the
No,
left
because
side.
I know what I'm getting for my product. So
Wait, just wait.
your product, you get -3.
-3, my product gets.
You
a
also
4.
give him -3.
Absolutely.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. No, I wanted to know if you want to go lower. So
I could, yeah, I don't want to give him marks only. I'm so disappointed. Like conceptually, he's
Yeah.
not able to connect. That's my problem. It's not that he's using the product wrong. It's that he's going into the fundamentals of it and not
Yeah.
getting it.
yeah.
To defend myself, I've never used a cutter to open a packet because I'm just used to opening it like this. I never thought.
So to defend yourself, you are saying I'm just bad at opening the packet. That's-
Hilarious.
To defend myself, I don't know how to do anything only. So
Every time at a party, Hoshak is just covered in chips. They're like, you guys want some?
This is not how you open it.
to defend myself, I know nothing. I know how to do nothing.
Now it's just become a party game at every party of theirs.
Oh man.
Who's strong enough to open the packet?
And
Great.
smart enough to seal it back.
Now you should, yeah.
How much would you rate the product? Also, how likely are you to buy it? Also,
How
also
likely? I mean,
Yeah.
I have. This
That's
is
the
mine.
spendable rating.
I am very likely to buy that.
है ना?
game. I almost have bought it. I'm so glad I came.
You want
here.
one? I have two.
It's fine. I will not use it.
Arey, you said you're very likely to buy it.
Yeah.
That's
I
my-
can
Yeah,
see
we-
what
we-
happened
we-
with that.
Guys,
also.
Vineet wants to buy 1,000 of them.
Yeah,
not just
yeah,
one.
not one.
Of course.
I will
Not
buy it. I'll
one.
go to the factory where it's made, and I will take the
I'll
whole
be like,
place.
now this is my factory. I'm-
Sorry, 1,000 rupees. That's a lot.
but wait, okay. How
I am.
likely?
Yeah,
I'll
I
use
think there is a high likelihood that I might buy with the right ad.
Yeah, the right
Someone
ad,
going
yes.
just.
That's
might.
it. No, I think what ads work on you is they don't show how to use it. They're like, it works. Like with that ceiling fan, they never showed you.
Yeah.
They were just like, ceiling fan is upar. I am here. Let's.
Just
it happens.
emotionally, they should.
Yeah.
They should.
It's just like it works. Just believe me, it works.
But
And you're like, I
it,
believe
yeah,
you.
for me, it's mostly like, right? Right? And I'm like, yeah.
They're like, right?
That's
You're
it.
like, yeah, right. Actually, let's
Every
just go
product
ahead.
description is just like, Why did nobody think of this?
Yeah.
That's what I thought when I was like, I'm such a genius for
I
finding
actually
this.
wanna-
discovering this
Why did
product.
nobody think this?
I want to rate yours now. So
Yeah.
that cleaning thing, though, that is the most useless.
Yeah.
Useless.
But
cleaning
I'll
thing.
rate
Okay,
it
you
on
are-
its looks.
On its looks?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like-
looks. Mein
Yeah,
it gets
Like on a
one.
dating app? like
I will swipe right on this for sure, dude.
Smash or pass.
Smash or pass?
100%
Smash.
This is a super like
It's honestly, this is the hottest cleaning product,
cleaning product
ever
I've
seen
come
in my life.
across.
Yeah.
Scotch Brite could never.
Yeah,
Oh.
could never.
Yeah.
No, so but wait,
That is
rating
exciting.
out of 5, usability wise, 0.
Using
but
for cleaning.
yeah, for cleaning, no. But
For pushing?
bending,
It
yeah.
Not
yeah,
for
yeah.
you.
Not
You
for
cannot
me.
bend
Not
with
for
it,
me.
yeah.
Not for me.
It-
Bending
this
it
could-
bends very well.
it went,
could come
for
in pretty
space
handy.
age research, it's useful.
Yeah,
Yes,
for sure.
yes. Anyway, and the strepsils,
Oh. Zero.
zero, negative 5.
Negative
Because he
5
said
for-
it doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't work in
No,
negative
that's-
5 for you just because you didn't read how many they were gonna
Dude,
send you.
I'm
dude.
sure.
That's fair
sure
enough.
they-
That's fair enough.
I'm sure they
That's fair.
said multiple.
Yeah, there's no
I'm
way.
sure they did. Let me go find the link again.
Yeah.
And I'll
I'm
send
sure.
you
There's
that
no
screenshot
way.
also.
There's no
Let
way
me
they're
find.
like, hey, we're only sending one, and once you buy it, they're like, aha, fuck you. It's a whole
with it.
batch, actually.
they like the company comes to my house, they have
Yeah.
a video camera. Like this motherfucker well for it. It's just-
And like, got your reaction. You're like, I have
Yeah.
one. Aha, fuck
Yeah.
you. Yeah,
Yeah.
got you.
and they just spit on me at the end and they just leave. This fucking
Which
loser.
you cannot clean with this.
Yeah.
And then you're like, aren't you going in a
It's
loss?
some really insane like Chinese prank show, like you know, one of those shows.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Super practical.
They just start beating me for fucking up. I honestly deserve a beating for buying this.
No, you don't deserve
You know
a
what?
beating.
My parents
But see, if
should
you
take control back
Yeah.
of my money. You ask me what is my relationship with money? That's what it should be. My parents should choose.
Take control
They
of it
should
back.
choose.
But when your parents beat you for this, you should wear the earplugs. At least you can't hear yourself getting beat. Actually, you
I
ca-
can.
Fucking
You
it
could,
doesn't
I
work.
can.
I forget.
They should use this to beat him up.
Just
and it won't work.
It won't work.
Oh.
anyway, that both get 0, but
Yeah.
this gets 3 from me
Just
because it
looks
bends.
nice.
Yeah,
Oh.
it bends
For
and
me,
it looks
the
nice.
The color and all.
Just looks we are rating
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thing.
I mean, it's useless,
It is
so it has to
completely
be
useless.
looks.
Maybe I can make it. Maybe I can spin it like it's like an abstract art piece at my house.
Yeah, like our table.
Or maybe
No.
this also I can spin it like that only. Which
No,
I am doing.
no.
Come on. I'm doing it as a whole fucking.
No,
anti-Mumbai,
you're forcing people to
anti-BMC
take it.
Anti-BMC conversation.
You're
I'm
forcing
starting.
people to take that.
What's important is that we are having this
You
conversation.
know, you know, we need.
talk about the noise
We
pollution
need
in the
when
city,
you're
dude.
walking and someone gives you a flyer. What do you do with that
I
flyer?
take all of the flyers from it.
Now
And
we're
I-
gonna say.
and I give it 300
Come,
rupees.
I'll distribute them now for you.
Yeah. He gives you one. You're like, no, give me the whole thing.
Yeah.
Give me 100.
And I distributed for years. The thing happened like right now.
I
First
forgot.
did distributing it. There was a disco night actually back in 2006. I still have the flyer.
I forgot you're like this. I was gonna say you throw it in the dustbin, and I was gonna say that's what people are doing with the earplugs.
No. I just take everything.
Not at all.
Have you-
What
Have
happened?
you seen those reels where they give say ki $2 or double
double
it
it
to
to
anyone?
anyone.
He gets a flyer, he puts the earplugs and gives it back.
No, they say double it for the next guy. No, not next guy. For me. Give,
Double it for
no,
me.
Quadruple it. 100 exponentially give me everything.
Man, okay. So
Yeah,
now,
let's
we
finally
come.
get to
Oh,
this.
the
dude.
star product.
But one thing we have to notice, the beard is still on.
Oh, it's
what?
not
He
gone?
didn't go to war.
Okay.
After sweating.
He
and all,
just been sitting here.
She has been sweating though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You
it's not
think if
watercolor.
you think if I was in the army and I drew this, you think my seniors would be like, "Hey, we said no beard," or would they be like, "Why is there sketch pen on your?"
100% they would say why.
You're retarded.
Yeah.
They'll immediately send you back.
Because they would 100% say, why is there sketch pen on your face?
Okay. If I go into an office where I work,
Yeah.
again the same question.
Office where I work, freelancers, just freelancers. You know, we have to do, if I go into an
If I
office
go
where
to
I
an
work.
office-
and work there, not just going to the
Stand-up
office.
comics just talk about these things conceptually. If ever,
If
hypothetically, if
ever
we
I
ever go
enter
into
an
an
office.
Imagine this crazy scenario.
Yeah.
There's a building.
What if there is,
Everybody
you know where
goes-
everybody goes?
Imagine
Every
I
morning people go and in the evening they leave that place. What if we
Imagine I
go
have
there
an ID. Imagine I
Yeah,
have an
yeah,
ID
yeah,
card
yeah,
with
yeah.
my name
and with a
photo.
beard drawn on the ID card. Beard is just.
Yeah, make it look like I've had this for years, so that they're like, oh, okay, this is from when he was 12. What the fuck? When did you first start growing a beard?
Oh no.
Okay, so what do you rate this?
That's as a sketch pen.
Yes, I was gonna say the same thing.
Not bad at all, honestly. Still a 6.
Oh,
There are
six.
better sketch pens.
But it's a
No, but like the bristles, it's like.
But it bends, right?
no, it doesn't.
no. It's the bristles bend. Yeah.
The bristles bend.
Yeah.
Dude, I sketched.
No, not too much. Not too
too
much.
much.
It
No,
doesn't
not too
bend.
much.
Okay, then it's
You
not
can
bad.
use it as a regular pen. Dude.
Okay, like a regular
A
pen.
regular pen, then it's just like it makes 3 lines.
It makes 3
4
lines.
4 lines.
4 lines.
Oh, that looks weird. That looks like I'm drunk writing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
it's 4.
Not for your day-to-day writing.
As opposed to my weekend drawings.
For your weekend drawing.
डे टू डे राइटिंग नहीं तो फिर क्या लिख रहे हैं हम
कभी-कभी ऐसे पोस्टर बनाने होते हैं उसके लिए.
I only
कोई
use a
concert.
pen and paper when it's like when I have to make it look like I'm writing.
well okay so it's a 0 as a
zero-
sketch pen
as a
नहीं,
sketch
as
pen
a
is-
beard pen
As a
It's a
beard pen,
beard pen.
it's whoa, it's not at all useful.
Yeah, it's stupid.
It's useful
Okay.
for children to act,
to
play house
pretend like
house.
they have yeah to play house
Suddenly that Kanan Gill
yeah
set just
set
came to
has
my
come
head. Maybe because it's
I think everything's been useless then
Yeah.
maybe because Govind has painted his beard and
Oh,
suddenly
I look
he
like
looks
Kanan Gill?
with
Wow.
beard. And I'm
Wow.
like, oh my god, that's
guys let me
Kanan.
just start doing my set so you know when but
Why does that happen?
why does that happen I can't
House
I
house.
wish I was as articulate
As
I got
Kanan, yeah.
I wish
as
as I
articulate.
had that much beard.
Yes. no, not the beard. I want to be as articulate as he is.
Absolutely.
Maybe if I draw a beard a little more.
Yeah, slowly. Even the beard is not articulate. Even the beard is kind of big.
well, anyway, that
No,
was.
it's horrible.
Yeah,
and
it's really
you,
bad.
You as a
You
user
got
of it also
on, dude.
horrible.
Oh yeah, as
by
a
the way.
user.
But full points to Shamik.
Shamik,
Yeah, Shamik gets full
as a
points.
horrible friend, absolutely.
100%.
Gaslighty fucker.
He gets full points for
yeah.
because
You
he convinced me.
couldn't even stay inside the lines and there are no lines.
There are what lines, dude? There's
Yeah, it's
never
just
been
your
a
face.
line here.
Yeah. And you still couldn't stay within them.
He was just doing anything.
Yeah, you just went.
That's how less of a beard he has had in his life.
He doesn't know the
how
shape.
it's
He doesn't know the
supposed to be like.
concept of it.
I think,
Can you taste the beard?
yeah, I think some went into my mouth because it tastes different now.
You know
How's
it's a
the
bad
taste?
beard when you can taste
Out of
it.
5, how much will you rate the taste? As an edible
As an
item,
edible, if I ever
If I'm
lick
really
my
high-
beard,
if I'm really high.
the thing is, see, with a real beard, can you lick your beard and taste it? No. It tastes horrible.
One of the big features I look for in a beard, sweet taste.
Sweet tasting.
It's not sweet.
Should have a nice
Good, I've
aftertaste.
quit sugar.
Yeah.
Now we are down to our weekly brand debates. Okay, Vineet.
Yes.
This is where your
Weekly?
opinion. Weekly
Brand
brand
debates.
debates.
Brand debates, okay?
This is where your
Baby.
opinion actually fucking matters. Okay.
As opposed to the 2 hours that
no,
we've
this is
conversed.
this is where like brands ka stock value rises and falls
Yeah.
based on what you say
My
right now.
God.
Yeah.
Okay, this
You
is
have
like
no idea, dude, what are you coming for?
That's
yeah,
true.
this
Yeah.
is fucking.
You have no
impressive.
clue, dude. What have you invested in?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you put stock? No stock.
This is eventually.
Yeah.
Achha,
I'll
okay.
get rich.
The company's gonna go public because of Vinny. How much he has bought.
Is this IPO? This is what IPO is.
Vineet, that does happen. Like based on products that have been on the show, companies have sold out their stock. I'm not even
That
kidding.
has actually
That
happened.
has
once,
actually happened.
once,
Yeah,
once.
that has
happened.
Let's not make it look like
Hey,
you know
it's
that
a
happens
regular. What do
every
people
week.
know? What do people know? It's a regular
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
man.
We are
Yeah.
just like connecting. Oh, Apple's got sold out. We didn't talk about it, but it got sold out separately.
Hey, you know, Coke is doing really
Coke is
well
doing
as
really
a
well,
company.
yeah.
Is it because we show it? Diet Coke on our. Yeah,
All right.
sorry.
So the three brands are Ray-Ban,
Mm.
Oakley's,
Oh.
and then Lenskart.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's a good one actually.
That's actually a good one. But how we like money wise or
Just your preference. It can be in terms of
Preference
how
things we
expensive
can
they
afford.
are. Yeah, it can be that. It can be like
affordability wise and lens card?
I got
That's
3
true.
lens card, dude.
Oakley's
Lenskart-
I've never
I've never
tried.
worn.
Yeah.
I've never tried.
Dude,
Ray-Ban also honestly I've never
Oakley-
had.
I have a Ray-Ban.
there was Oakley ka this one phase that I remember was fucking Oakleys were everywhere. when Dawn 1 came out of Shah Rukh Khan's.
Oh, Don used to wear
Yeah,
Oakleys.
those shades became very
Yeah.
popular because of Oakleys. Because of
Oh, I
Oakley ka
remember
sign
the
in
kind of like.
The Wayfarers.
Yeah, correct.
No,
the
I
classic
don't know.
Oakley
They're not
designs.
Wayfarers.
Yeah,
They're
not
the Wayfarers?
No,
No.
they're not. They're like kind of like Wayfarers,
Rectangular?
but yeah,
The rectangular one,
rectangular
yeah,
ones.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
Those are
love
not-
them.
Yeah.
Those. Oh, those are Oakleys. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, I
No,
didn't-
for me, I think Lenskart, honestly.
Lens
I've-
guard?
I
Because
don't
it's
have
like
a lens
I
card.
You guys
lose,
do-
I lose glasses a lot.
Actually, you have specs also, so yeah.
This-
Yeah.
yeah, I lose glasses a lot, so it's great to just.
Be able to buy it whenever you want.
So
and
when you
1+1
wanna-
always.
When you want to wear sunglasses, like, do you just have that? I don't know
No,
how
no.
people.
I have different sunglasses.
Acha, okay. With power, na?
This is actually
Acha.
sunglasses that I took it out and put lenses on because I
Oh,
really like the.
cool.
Ah,
Oh,
you can
nice.
do that.
You can do that in non-Lenskart stores.
Oh,
Guys,
okay.
so these specs of mine, these are actually clip-on sunglasses. I can clip the sunglasses.
Ah,
frame
that's
on.
what I was
that's what he
asking.
was asking.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
pretty
what I was
great.
asking.
Yeah, it's fucking
Oh,
nice.
nice. But yeah, Ray-Bans. I have
Ray-Bans on
Ray-Bans.
top.
Ray-Bans
so-
are great.
I want
Classic.
Ray-Bans. I was gonna
I've
buy
Those
never-
them.
aviators, I think, those Ray-Ban aviators are
Oh,
just such
yeah,
a
I have
Ray-Ban.
it.
But
Yeah,
my
the
dad
thing
was
is,
a
I-
Ray-Ban
I
aviator
I have
guy.
prescription. You guys, clearly you
No,
both
we
don't.
don't.
Oh.
What?
You don't have
Prescription.
I
prescription.
have
Oh, man.
prescription.
So
no.
you'll have to get
wear a,
prescription.
you
Yeah.
just pop a Ray-Ban on.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
I will have to go to the doctor for it. I have to go to a
That's
guy.
very,
Yeah.
that's very weird.
And
If I
then
go
pay
at
extra
Jaro-
for those Ray-Ban
I have to pay
lenses.
extra and Ray-Ban lenses.
Dude,
Oh.
insane. Of course.
Not gonna be easy.
So I absolutely have to go
Oh,
Lenskart.
that's,
Yeah,
I've never
yeah.
thought of that. Ki, oh shit, I have to go for a vacation. Let me go to my doctor.
Dude, that
to
is
get
absolutely
a
a thing, man.
sunglasses
That's
ka
a thing.
pair.
That's a
Yeah,
prescription.
I did it for 2 vacations back to back because I lost one in the first one.
That's also not a good thing to have. Keep like you keep losing.
yeah.
when you
You
have
put-
Now I
number,
don't.
yeah,
Now I don't
yeah,
go
yeah.
into the ocean wearing the expensive sunglasses I bought.
It sounds
Yeah, I
so.
bought like 4 Lenskart glasses when I was going on a vacation. I came back with one because I knew
Yeah.
I was
What?
gonna lose them. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're supposed to give to the seats like
give back to Mother Nature.
If you don't, it's
Give
like
back to the earth.
Dude,
Yeah.
and
You
That's
get
how I
eaten
add
up.
to the
Also-
economy there.
Dude, also Lenskart is so affordable.
Yeah,
Right?
because it's
They
1+1,
always have a
dude.
1+1
Yeah.
offer.
Yeah,
Always.
Really?
you're like 300
Yeah.
bucks. Take the whole store. Just
Yeah.
buy this entire branch.
I've
Take
never
it.
gotten anything from Lenskart, so I.
Of course, you have not gotten anything
no,
from
even
Lenskart.
sunglasses or something. I didn't know that was an option. I'll get. I'll
Yeah,
get.
yeah.
I'm
It's
okay with
damn
getting.
Then
yeah.
also, dude, I don't know now why I'm selling Lenskart, but Lenskart will come to your house and do your eye tests and all. Also
Come to
if
your
you want.
house and all?
Yeah.
Oh.
They
You
come
can
to
have
your
that
house
next
and
time.
do it, dude.
No, I don't need it. I mean,
Okay.
thankfully, my power is not increasing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dude,
okay.
I went to a wedding and there they had this like a palm reader guy, okay?
Okay.
And a face reader also. They had 2 separate people, one palm reader, one face reader.
Oh, these are 2 different
Yeah,
units.
I
Yeah.
also didn't know.
So I went to the face reader and this was a very like lavish luxury wedding. So everybody there was super rich. So I go there and immediately the first thing he tells me is, so you look like someone who don't take money from his family and all. And my theory is I was the only one there wearing Lenskart glasses and nobody else.
Yeah, he was reading your face, and that was on your face.
Everybody had Ray-Bans or whatever is beyond Ray-Ban. I was the only one. I know for a fact I was the only one with Lenskart.
That's
Like, I've seen this motherfucker on the app. It's for sure him. He's like, AR is working really well, bro. That
that's
AR
very
feature
funny.
is so
the
good.
palm reader wouldn't be able to tell you
No,
this.
no, but the face is like, dude, this glasses, I have these glasses, dude.
Take the glasses
It's
off.
wobbly.
The glasses off. He knows nothing about it. You have a nose. That's the face reading you do. That's it.
There's eyes. Eyes are there.
So rate them: Ray-Ban,
Ray-Ban,
Oakleys,
Ray-Ban.
and Lenskart. So
Ray-Ban,
10 on 10 Lenskart.
Lenskart.
Oh, rate them as in?
No, not
like,
rate. What do you
most
prefer?
preferred-
out
most
of the-
preferred to least preferred.
Lenskart as of now, till I
Lenskart.
can afford prescription Ray-Bans.
Ray-Bans,
then
yeah.
second.
The second Ray-Ban, since
Second
I know him
Ray-Bans.
Ray-Ban.
Okay.
Actually, Oakley. Actually, I think I've seen designs of Oakley and they look amazing.
Yeah.
Ah.
So second
I've seen
Oakley.
Oakley outside
Airports.
Yeah.
Inside
airports.
airports. Sorry.
Never.
Oh.
But I was talking about what are those stores called?
Opticians.
I've just never entered one, so I've never.
Wow.
Optometrist, you mean?
Optometrist. Yes,
Ophthalmologist. You mean ophthalmologist?
Orthopedic surgeon.
Yes. Orthopedic.
Orthopedics.
Yeah,
Yeah, you'll never see outside orthopedic surgeons. Generally, it's
No,
not
but
there.
yeah, I've seen ads of Oakley outside.
Okay, yeah. In
Oh, that's,
uh,
that was the only reason.
That's where that's third. Oakley's is third. Ray-Ban,
Ray-Ban,
Lenskart,
Lenskart,
and,
I
yeah.
actually
For me
like
also.
Oakley more. Then
Oh, okay.
Lenskart, Oakley, then Ray-Ban. I think
Nice.
Oakley. I like the thin kind of.
What's yours, Antriksh? You know, we've never asked Antriksh.
Mine would be Ray-Ban first, then Lenskart because I actually own Lenskart. But Ray-Ban is just that classic design.
The
I
aviator,
never get
yeah,
tired
the
of it.
classic
It
Wayfarers
is-
and
yeah.
aviators are
Their
very
designs
Fucking
are very
sick,
good.
dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that has become the standard for other brands too.
Exactly.
Going forward. Yeah.
Yeah. They
And
set the
last-
standard.
yeah,
Last
exactly.
is Oakley.
And last is Oakley, I would say.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
All right, cool.
Are we done?
Yes, we are done.
Awesome.
We're done. Thank you so much for coming.
That
Thank
was
you so
on
much.
this
Thank
amazing,
you so much.
with your amazing
Thank you for
products.
calling me and-
Vineet. Yes.
Did you
My
have a
hot
good time?
friend.
Besides sweating, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I can just. I
Wait,
can't clean the sweat.
you know, we're selling this. We're selling this,
Yeah, we're
guys.
selling
So
this.
if someone wants this, DM Vineet, and if
Tell us
someone
why
wants
you
that,
deserve this.
Yeah. That'd
Apart
be a
from
good.
that, you are an
a-
insane
a
person
per- yeah,
who has bought
That we
this.
just assume.
yeah, that we assume. But yeah,
This I cannot part ways with. This is
No,
yours.
this you
that's
keep.
So
that's
return
Yeah.
close to your
timeless.
heart, dude.
Yeah.
That's
Vineet,
timeless.
Vineet, where can people follow you online?
Oh yeah, what do you want to promote something?
What?
Any
I-
blogs?
whatever you
Any
want to
blogs?
promote.
When is this
We have a
episode
show
going?
next week.
Next week?
Is it going before 18?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a show at Habitat on 18th. I'm recording my.
Hey, wait, let him finish.
I
dude.
have
You
a
can't
solo
do-
show and I'm stand-up show and I'm also recording. I don't
Okay.
know why I said solo stand-up show. Like, what other solo show could it possibly be? But anyway, stand-up show.
You
And
should have
Govin's
kept.
cat is there. I'm
Yes,
taking- I'm
yes.
taking the-
You should have kept wooing and like ये audible ही नहीं होता. So I have a show. Whoa!
Oh yeah, I'm also recording my whole bit.
you're
Yes.
recording.
Now you scream. Now you
Yes.
scream.
You're recording on the 18th
October.
October
At
of
Habitat.
October at Habitat, and you can follow him on his Instagram.
Vineet_SRI.
Actually, you have way more followers, so
Yeah. Of
don't
course.
follow. For his followers, follow me.
Dude, it's possible. That
Us, Alec,
we have one
me.
unique listener from Vineet. That is possible.
Sorry?
Ha.
It is possible we have one unique
One
listener from Vineet.
listener
Let
who
that follow
doesn't
this
know
follow.
who Vineet is.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
That guy, if you're not in Bombay, come to Bombay.
Yeah.
Go for his trial.
Go for his show. It's not a trial, no.
No.
It's a solo
Oh,
show.
Come
It's
go
kind
for
of
his solo.
like I'm still calling it trial, but it's mostly solo.
Oh
only.
yeah. It's
Okay.
ready. Come, go for it.
Okay, thank you so much for coming. We need give it up for everyone.
Yes, subscribe
like the
to
end of a
us.
stand-up
Fun.
show.
Yeah.
Okay,
Please
subscribe,
Subscribe from
comment.
your mom's phone, dad's phone, brother if you have one. Just keep
Only
subscribing.
useful podcast
Yes.
Yes.
in
yes.
this entire country. Beer
Yes.
biceps, kill yourself.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa,
It's
whoa.
on anyway. It's
No, no,
done
no.
now.
I think
No,
he
he
got
got
it
it
back.
back.
He got it back. Okay. But okay, bye. Bye, bye. See
Bye,
you.
thank you.
Thank